Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are discuss about the game fencing. Fencing is the group of three related combat sports. There are three disciplines in the modern fencing are the foil, the épée and the sabre. In the fencing, the winning is made through the weapons contact with the opponents. Today, we will learn the offensive skills in the fencing. These are attack, riposte, feint, lunge, beat attack, disengage, compound attack and renewal of attack. Then let's see in the details. First one is the attack, a basic fencing technique also called a thrust, consisting of the initial offensive action made by extending the arm and continuously threatening the opponent's target. There are four different attacks: straight thrust, disengage attack, counter disengage attack and cutover. In sabre, attacks are also made with a cutting action. Second one is the riposte, an attack by the defender after a successful parry. After the attacker has completed their attack and it has been parried, the defender then has the opportunity to make an attack, take right away. Third one is the feint, a false attack with the purpose of provoking a reaction from the opposing fencer. Fourth one is the lunge, a thrust while extending the front leg by using a slight kicking motion and propelling the body forward with the back leg. Fifth one is the beat attack. In foil and sabre, the attacker beats the opponent's blade to gain priority and continues the attack against the target area. In épée, a similar beat is made but within the intention to disturb the opponent's aim and thus score with a single hit. Fifth one is the disengage, a blade action whereby the blade is moved around the opponent's blade to threaten a different part of a target or deceive a parry. Next one is the compound attack, an attack preceded by one or more feints which oblige the opponents to the parry, allowing the attacker to deceive the parry. Next one is the renewal of attack, a typical épée action of making a second attack after the first attack is parried. This may be done with a change in a line. A second continuation is the stepping slide past the parry and angulating the blade to bring the tip of the blade back on target. A renewal may also be direct, in which case it is called remise. Now we will get some basic information about the fencing. Fencing is a game in which is played between two fencers. Both the fencers use swords to attack the opponents and to defend self. There are some rules and regulations which the players have to follow while attacking or defending. Three different groups of the weapons are used in the fencing and each weapon has its own set of rules and regulations. Most of the fencers select one so as to specialize in using any one of these weapons. This is a sword exerting game where two fencers try to touch each other with the tip of their sword. The main objective of this game is to touch the other player and score enough points required to win the game before the opposite player scores point. There are different approved targets zone based on the weapon used and players have to touch those target zone to score points. Spain was the first one to practice fencing. Several books related to fencing have been written by Spanish authors. Modern fencing was originated in the 18th century in the Italian school of fencing, and under their influence it was later on developed by French school of fencing. Today we have learned about the offensive skills in the fencing. In the next class we will see the defensive skills of the fencing. Thank you.